Magical treats taste great, but justice and equality taste better. To combat hate, all ad revenue from my HB Kitchen will be donated to trans and LGBTQ charities. Thank you for supporting the kitchen and helping make the world a better place. Mischief managed. Hello witches, wizards, and those who have just escaped from Azkaban. Welcome back to my Harry Potter Kitchen, the YouTube series where we're baking our way through the Harry Potter books, creating magical recipes every time we find an item of food and drink inside. This week we reached a whopping 30 recipes from the Prisoner of Azkaban. I cannot believe we are so far into this book, but there is so much more to go. So if you don't want to miss any of those, make sure you hit that subscribe button and then click on the notification bell so you get an alert every Magic Monday when there's a brand new video for you. Today's video again is extra special. I've got another custom charity tee on, this time from Philip Normal, who is raising money for Terence Higgins Trust. It's also a nod to the LGBTQ drama It's a Sin. Incredible shows. If you haven't seen it, go and check it out. Today is all about the next donation from our Patronus fund, where we are donating all of the ad revenue from my Harry Potter Kitchen to LGBTQ and Trans Charities. Here's who's up this time. This month we are donating £100 to Mermaids, the UK charity that helps trans and gender diverse children and their families. Mermaids were nominated by Mia, or She of the Book on Instagram. If you have a favourite trans charity that you want to nominate, all the details that you need will be down below in the description. Thank you so much to everyone who is helping us make the world a better place. If you've got a favourite trans charity that you'd like to nominate for a future donation, all of the details that you need are up on my blog, so I'll leave a link for that down below in the description. We've got so many more Harry Potter recipes to come, and that means more donations to make, so I can't wait to keep on donating to some great causes. Before we get on to next week's recipe though, let's catch up on the last 10. Recipe 21 was for Love Potion, so we shook up 2 cocktails inspired by the French martini. 1 alcoholic and 1 non-alcoholic, so this recipe can be enjoyed by everyone. For recipe 22, we had corned beef, which Ron usually doesn't fancy, but we turn this into the ultimate corned beef deli sandwich that he won't be able to resist. Recipe 23 was the Honeyduke's classic pepper imps, so we served up these cinnamon and chili hard boiled sweets with a fiery twist. Recipe 24 was for Chocoballs. These were giant chocolate balls filled with strawberry mousse and clotted cream. They looked pretty cool and tasted incredible. For recipe 25, we had sugar quills, so I served up the Hogwarts house varieties of the famous Honeyduke's candy. Whichever house you belong to, these will taste pretty magical. Recipe 26 was for sherbet balls, so these were our fun twist on the sherbet lemon with some sour lemon balls with sherbet on the outside as well. So good that they'll leave you levitating. Recipe 27 was cauldron cakes, so we served up some sorting hat versions which you can cut into to reveal your Hogwarts house colour. Recipe 28 was Lupin's chocolate bar, so we served these up with some Hogwarts house inspired magic too, creating our own personalised bars with a variety of toppings. Recipe 29 was for pumpkin tarts, so we gave these tarts some wings and turned them into some edible golden snitches. And this week we had marmalade, so we served it up inside a cake. It was the popular upside down cake with marmalade and some lightning bolt decorations made from orange peel. So there you go, 30 magical recipes from Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban in the bag, and plenty more to come. If you don't want to miss any of those Harry Potter recipes, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you get an alert every Magic Monday when there's a brand new recipe for you to try. And of course, you can keep helping us donate money to some great causes and nominate your favourite charity via the Patronus Fund. That's all for this week's recap, but I will see you next Monday for another recipe.